Welcome back. Persistent inflation has shoppers searching for deals, and while they're finding them at places like Walmart, whose shares are up 7% today on those strong results, thanks in part to grocery sales, well, that's not the only place to find fairly priced food. Thrive Market has been on a mission to make healthy food more accessible over the past decade. The subscription-based grocer serves a similar customer base to Walmart, with nearly half of its million-plus members living in households making less than $100,000 per year. And in February, they became the first online-only retailer to accept SNAP EBT benefits. All of that has earned it the number 20 spot on CNBC's annual Disruptor 50 list. For more here, we're joined by Thrive Market CEO Nick Green and our very own Julia Borston. Welcome, one and all. Julia, what made them pop up top on the list?
Well, I think what's so interesting about Thrive is that you really figured out how to integrate AI to make the product better, both for you and for customers. So tell us about that. How are you using AI right now?
Yeah, I mean, we've always used machine learning to help people get recommendations of what they should buy on the site. But what we're now finding is those recommendations with AI, and as that algorithm spins, they've gotten so good, we can actually load the cart on behalf of the member. And
Really?
For first members, we're actually seeing in their first order over half of what they buy is what we load into the cart for them using AI.
That's an exciting thought that could save some time. Now, I think it's interesting. I almost think of you guys, and I've looked at your selection before, as kind of an online Trader Joe's. It gives me that kind of vibe. A lot of stuff's very health-focused. It's a little quirky.
Yeah, I mean, the way we look at it is take the best products that you would find in a health food retailer, curate them down to only the best, and then offer them at discounted prices through a membership model. So a lot of people think about it as Costco meets Whole Foods, and then Trader Joe's too, because we have a lot of our own branded products, more than 500 items that you can only find on Thrive under the Thrive Market brand. Yeah.
So tell us about your growth trajectory of over 1 million members to your subscription plan. Yeah. What's your plan to grow that business? And do you think you're going to have sort of a sense of how big the addressable market is for this?
Yeah, I mean, look, we are almost 9 years in. We feel like we're just getting started. We're actually now over 1.5 million members, so we're growing quite rapidly in terms of the membership base. Our members are continuing to get more and more value from Thrive as we add new categories, as we lean into new selection. And, you know, we're sitting here looking at the U.S. households. There's hundreds of millions of people that want to get healthier. They want to live their values, and they don't have an affordable, accessible, easy way to do it. So, you know, we're in the first inning.
You've got products like ghee or different kind of high protein product. A lot of stuff I think people might be looking for. How committed are you to the membership model? We know it is the gold star when it comes to the success of Costco and Amazon and companies like that. But at the same time, especially for the kind of customer you're targeting, it might be a difficult hurdle for them to clear in order to become customers.
Absolutely. So first we start with a membership model that's reasonable. It's $60 a year, $5 a month. And it really is what makes the entire model possible. By charging that membership, we can then deliver the products at a price that's below retail significantly. So our goal is to get that natural, organic, better for you product at or below the price of the conventional equivalent and make it accessible to those, you know, millions of American families that can't afford to go to a premium price place. And then we also give free memberships. So for anyone that's low income, if you can't afford a membership, you get on for free. Every paid membership sponsors one for them. And, you know, now that we're accepting SNAP, they can use their EBT on Thrive to get their discounted groceries.
But it is a barrier to entry to get people to sign up for a subscription service. And if you look at what Amazon has done with their Amazon Prime membership, they offer grocery delivery as part of that. And you can buy all sorts of household goods through Amazon. And in a way, you're really competing with that. What other products or services are you thinking of adding to bulk up the sort of the value that you offer through your membership?
Yeah, I think, you know, Amazon has taken the everything store approach. They want to carry as much selection as possible, and there's varying quality, and you got to sift through and figure out what's actually good. We think about ourselves as the un-everything store in a way, where it's ultra curated, everything's high quality, our members outsource their trust to us, and when they come on, they don't have to search through 40,000 almond butters. They find the 3 or 4 that are really high quality, they order those, and so, you know, we get better pricing because we concentrate our volume. We're able to deliver in bulk, so you're not getting onesie twosies coming all at you, you know, all day long getting deliveries. And they can know that they're also shopping their values: carbon neutral shipping, zero waste fulfillment, and sponsoring a membership for low-income families.
I looked at it in the past. One of the other things I think is a hang-up maybe for some, and correct me if I'm wrong, I didn't look that deeply, but is there more of an offering of like fresh meats, fresh products like that, produce that could be coming across the country to members who sign up and not just kind of the pantry staples?
Yeah, so when we started, we were just sort of pantry staple food items. We've really expanded outside of food now. So we're doing everything from home to beauty to non-toxic kids and baby products to pet products. Everything has a better for you, more sustainable alternative. We did recently, over the last few years, get into frozen. And so there we're doing meat and seafood. We're doing frozen veg. We're doing a lot of categories that might traditionally be refrigerated. And we're very open and experimenting with the possibility of doing perishable, but we have to do it in a way that's economical for our members and also that's sustainable. And that's a challenge.
You think the consumer's okay right now, or is it difficult at that price point?
I think that at our price point, we're making it more affordable. And the model right now is save money on those pantry staples at Thrive Market and then spend a little more for high quality produce at the grocery store.
Yeah.
But in the future, hopefully, we're that one-stop shop.
Fascinating. Well, Nick, congrats. Thanks for joining us. Julia, thank you for bringing it to us. Nick Green, CEO of Thrive Market. We appreciate it today.